Welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to your Trust Wallet. Let's begin. So first things first, just make sure you're logged into your Binance account. You can do this through Binance app on your smartphones, or you can also do this in your computer through Binance.com. So where I will start is just to check where I stored my USDT. Some people are actually storing it here in Spot Wallet, while in my case, I have it on my funding wallet. So I just need to make sure that my USDT is sitting right here. There you go. So next, I will go to my Trust Wallet. So this is, provided that you've already installed your Trust Wallet, guys. You can also do this on Trust Wallet app on your phone. If you need tutorial on how to install Trust Wallet on your computers or in your phone, please leave some comments and then we'll be happy to do that for you. So now that I am here, since we're transferring USDT, so I just need to look for the USDT logo, or the where I can get the wallet for USDT. In this case, since the funds are incoming, so I just need to click on receive. So once I have that, it will give you like a QR code, or you can just click on this one just to copy the address. You will be needing that because you will go back to your Binance, and then for USDTs right here, go here and then choose withdraw. Once you do that, it would lead you to this page. It would automatically be defaulted to USDT. You paste the address that you copied from your Trust Wallet. Your network should always be set to BSC. And then yes, some reminders, just click on yes, I'm sure. And then say, for example, if I would want to withdraw a maximum amount from my funding wallet, if you notice this withdraw button has lit up, that means that you're ready to withdraw. So once you click on this one, there would be additional pop-up windows just to, have additional information for security purposes to secure your transfer to Trust Wallet. Once you click on that, when you go back to your Trust Wallet, it would actually be transferred right here. So that's pretty much it. It's very easy, right? Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please leave a like. Goodbye.